Oh my God, this stuff was so good. Guys, this was this past weekend. I was invited to attend a beautiful weekend brunch put together with my sister-in-law. Amazing organic-based foods. You've got avocados, eggs, cheese, tomatoes, walnuts, almonds. You've got olives, this amazing avocados, shrimp, cheese, name it, fruits and vegetables, all the yummy stuff there. And you can see some bad boy mimosas on that end right now, right there, of course, right there, and the watermelons and grapes. I mean, it was just amazing. So the question is, what did I do to burn these calories before I got there? Did I go for a swim? Did I bike ride? Did I weight lift? Did I don't know, play tennis? Did I jog? Did I go to the gym? What did I do exactly? So I'm going to share with you right now. This is exactly what I was doing. Here I'm training with my amazing Professor Mason. This guy is a beast. He's a monster. He's allowing me to practice techniques on him with some good resistance because he could totally take me. But guess what? He's allowing me to practice my techniques to become better and better, which is awesome. I'm very blessed. You can see I'm doing a entry takedown on him here. Here now we're doing a sparring session. This is, of course, after 45 minutes of active drilling. I am exhausted. I'm beat here. But guess what? I'm still going at it to be able to make those moves and those techniques. So yes, this is what I was doing. In the back of my mind, I was like, oh, I'm going for breakfast. I'm going for an amazing breakfast. Come on, push yourself, push yourself. I always tell my patients, do everything you can to make sure you earn those calories. If you think you're about to go have a big meal or a big breakfast spread or something big, you got to make sure you've earned those calories prior to that because you don't want to excess those calories. Here I'm trying to do my best. My heart rates, I'm sure, is somewhere in the 130s, 140s, if not even higher, 150s in zone 4, versus zone 5 at this point. Because I'm at 1 hour here. I'm going for the submission here. He's giving me a lot of resistance, but of course, with all due respect, he is amazing. He's allowing me to make my moves and techniques, trying to find my gaps, and here is the submission right there. So of course, I did have a great time, great breakfast, and here's my selection of food that I made. I took the best foods that I wanted to eat, all nice, organic based. So the message is, guys, enjoy your food, eat clean, and make sure you earn those calories because you don't want to gain weight as that's the best option.